Welcome to the course Protein Analysis and Editing. As the name indicates, we will be understanding how we can analyze the protein and also how we can edit the different components of the protein in this particular course. This particular course will have 4 different modules. In module 1, I'll be showing you how you can effectively use PyMol commands, especially the command line option to edit the structure, see various visualizations, see various representation of the particular protein, and create stunning images. In the module 2, we will be understanding how we can label things in PyMol, especially how we can label residues, how we can label atoms, how we can label chains, and then further how we can customize all those labels so that we can create an image which is scientifically valid. And by using that image, you should be able to convey the scientific message that you want to convey to your audience. In the third important module, we will be talking about distances between the residues, how we can calculate the distances, why distance calculation is important. All those things will be covered in that particular module. In addition to that, we will be covering how we can measure angles and what is the significance of angle measurements in PyMol. And then on top of that, we will also be understanding how we can use cutoff values to get specific polar contacts in a particular protein molecule. In the fourth module, I'll be showing you how you can identify the hydrophilic as well as hydrophobic regions in PyMol. At the same time, how you can use scenes to save your progress as you move further in the protein structure analysis by using PyMol. So basically, you are going to be equipped with a lot of advanced features that you have not familiarized yourself before. And those features are going to give you real research skill sets that you can apply in your project and get a lot of scientific research done by using PyMol. In addition to that, I will be providing you detailed notes, at the same time, detailed PowerPoint presentation, which you can edit and you can customize accordingly. And that presentation you can basically use to teach others. So if you are a teacher, that resource is going to be really helpful for you. Another resource that I'm going to provide with this is problem and solution document. That document will provide you some advanced problems and their solutions. So in this course, what you have to do is you have to complete all the modules, then complete MCQ based quiz. And then after completing all those modules, you should be able to get a certificate that will confirm that you have acquired those skills that you need for protein structure analysis as well as editing. All right, with that note, why don't we just start our progress to complete our modules?